Just keep the rain gear handy today, my friends. As we look at our Key West camera, you would say, it's gonna rain? Well, yeah, it's sunny right now, but we are gonna see the potential for some thunderstorms, and you can actually see those clouds starting to darken up and build here as we look from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale. So we have a complex of fires here called the Avian Complex in the Big Cypress Preserve in Collier. Then just south of 41 in Mainland Monroe, we have a brush fire burning there, as well as just north of Redlands. So yeah, about 3 areas that we're watching. We hope that we can get some rain to help in the containment of those fires. And what's not helping us out is that we have this wind flowing out of the west, northwest, and it's steering some of that smoke that you might be smelling towards the metro areas of Broward and Miami-Dade County. So if you have any respiratory issues, you want to limit your outdoor activity and be careful. Looking at the radar and satellite, we're seeing the cloud coverage in the front that is going to continue to sag south. There's just plenty of moisture ahead of it. It's a warm and muggy feel out there, low to mid 80s across the board. And it's quite warm across the southern half of the nation with 80s and upper 70s, 60s and 50s up to the northeast and northern areas. However, look at that, 75 in Minneapolis, 76 in Kansas City, hot in the desert southwest with 80s there and 60s in California. There is a marginal risk of severe weather for parts of the northern Rockies, northern plains, and we could see some thunderstorms across the southeast and even here in South Florida, as according to the Storm Prediction Center's latest forecast. And there you can see that active weather again across the northern tier of the country. For us, we have this sliver of moisture that's just kind of hanging out across the southern tip of the peninsula. The dryer is to our north, and the future radar, the tracker, is showing that as we head into the afternoon around 3, 4, 5 p.m., we're going to see scattered showers, so not a complete washout, but many could see some downpours even as we head into the evening hours and tonight especially. And then into tomorrow, we'll see some spotty showers around due to some lingering moisture and some clouds from time to time. So as you can see, the moisture is around for today and tomorrow. Dryer arrives on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday we get another surge of moisture as we head into the weekend. So for today, we could warm up to the upper 80s briefly with those scattered storms. For boaters, no advisories right now, so you just have to look out for the possibility of waterspouts. Your extended forecast showing that today we'll need those umbrellas, heavy showers. Tomorrow 90 degrees with a few storms, drier Wednesday, and then warming up to the upper 80s with a better chance of storms later this weekend into Mother's Day weekend.